Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to make booklet. So if you want to make booklet, you need to convert into PDF and open in Adobe Reader. As example, I will copy this paragraph and we create new blank page. Can click insert blank page, click paste, we'll insert again. We have four page and you can go to file, click on save as, and then go to your folder. As example, I will use this folder, and you can set the names. Don't forget to change into PDF. Click save. After it, open in the Adobe Reader, and then you can go to print. After it, choose the booklet tools. It will be automatically convert into booklet like this. You can set for the sheet forms, and for booklet subset we set into both sides. This for both sides, and if you done, you can print this file. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to make a booklet. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.